Hi, do you want to have firm, beautiful, and healthy skin, but you always find your skin in a completely unsatisfactory condition and you don't know why? Do not worry. The following video explains the reasons why your skin looks unhealthy and has a lack of collagen, as well as some daily habits that you do without knowing that they harm your skin. Sunscreen. Not applying a sufficient amount of sunscreen is dangerous, and therefore it must be applied because it is important and does not contain any luxury. There are two types of harmful sun rays, namely UVA and UVB rays. Its role is that it breaks down collagen through something called free radicals, which is the #1 cause of aging, not just wrinkles. And you should always look for a sunscreen product that is organic and safe on the skin, and sunscreen should be applied to your face, neck, and anywhere exposed to sunlight. Vitamin C. Not getting enough vitamin C is a bad habit, because vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants and therefore prevents the activity of free radicals that cause wrinkles and aging. One of the benefits of vitamin C is that it helps build collagen, and it also protects the collagen already in your skin. As for the method of taking vitamin C, it is from natural sources. Sleep. Not getting enough sleep is totally unhealthy for your skin. Before the age of 30, no symptoms appear, and you do not feel that anything has happened, but after the age of 30, the damage appears, and that most of the problems in life are caused by not getting enough sleep for the body. The period of sleep is a treatment in itself, and one of the benefits of sleep is that it cleanses the body of toxins and burns body fat, rebalancing hormones and rejuvenating skin and hair. Therefore, lack of good sleep raises the level of cortisol in the body. It causes damage to the skin, hair, and the general mood of a person. Processed sugars and carbohydrates. It is very dangerous to eat products that contain white flour in all its forms and that contain gluten, cakes, biscuits, pastries, and everything that falls under the name of processed carbohydrates. Therefore, all these things are transformed in the body into sugar just like regular sugar, and sugar creates a substance in the body that causes wrinkles in the skin and aging in the body, regardless of age, even in the 20s. This also does not mean that sugar is completely cut off, but sugar and pastries should be eaten no more than once a week. But do not overeat them today. And you can also make healthy desserts with natural ingredients that eliminate sugar-laden foods. Protein. Not eating enough protein is one of the causes of collagen deficiency in the skin. So eating the right amount of protein is very important because a large percentage of the body and skin are made of the proteins that you eat. Therefore, with time, if you do not eat enough proteins, your body will begin to break down muscles, and fats will be more in the body. So the results will be sagging, wrinkles, and a very bad complexion. Therefore, protein is the raw material that you give your body to rebuild itself again. But how do you know what is the right amount of protein for your body? The answer is to calculate your weight in kilograms and translate into grams of protein. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you need 70 grams of protein. But the percentage of protein increases with exercise and muscle building. So you should consult a sports coach or trainer to determine the right amount of protein for you. And always make your meals a balance between protein, healthy carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Not drinking enough water. Here, it is not intended to drink water only when thirsty, as this is not considered sufficient for the body, and each body differs from the other in the percentage of water that it must drink, because it varies according to your weight and the activities that you do, such as exercising, walking, running, and housework, because your body loses a lot of water, and if you do not drink enough, the functions of the body will not function properly, including skin and hair. And an important piece of information that you should know is that drinking a large amount of water, once completely wrong, because a lot of water causes bloating and expansion of the stomach, and you will get a rumen. Therefore, the body does not benefit from excess water than required. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates.